making money online is much easier than you think. Money is not just something we need, it's something we want. We would like to have a comfortable lifestyle where we don't have to worry about paying our bills. In order to do this, one job often isn't enough, which is why many turn to online opportunities as detailed below. To make money online, you must first determine which niche you can fit into. Do you like writing? Market yourself personally as a content provider. Are you good at graphic design? A lot of folks might hire you for website or document projects. Introspection will help you along. Take surveys. There are tons of surveys available to do, and some of them pay decent money if you are the right demographic. This can net you some extra dough. Depending on the site offering the survey, they may not pay much. Nonetheless, it's easy to do them in your spare time, and you can make quite a bit of money. Before you set your heart on making money online, set your household up. Making sure you are free from interruptions can be a very important part of your success. Children, spouses, and other people can cut you off at the most inconvenient times. Make sure your time is your own, so you can maximize earnings. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. When you need to make some extra income to pay bills or provide you with the luxuries you deserve, the advice in this video becomes priceless. Use these tips as you begin your career online. You will find that money will begin to stream in and your wallet will fatten up. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.